Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to be taking a look at the StudBuddy, supposedly the world's simplest stud finder. No electronics, technology, or anything else. It's basically just going to be a magnet for your drywall, being able to detect screws and nails. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Take a look at the retail box and packaging right here. So it detects nails and screws in wood and metal studs. That simple, as you just scan and move it along the wall. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and see how it looks. All right, so here's a look at everything that you get. You get the StudBuddy here. It's got its yellow, red, and blue color scheme. You'll notice on the back side right here, it says made in the USA with its patent number. Now let's go ahead, let's try it out. All right, we're at a nice blank wall here with nothing mounted, so we could see if we could actually find any studs without using anything but our trusty, nifty StudBuddy. Very strong magnet, you'll see super powerful here. Once it finds the stud for you, again, it's gonna find the nails in this drywall. There you go. We have just identified the stud. About 16 inches away, we should be able, somewhere over here, to find another one. And just let it do its thing. There we go. There's our next stud in sequence. So that's simple to locate your stud. Just line it up over a nail hole. You'll see right there, got the head of the nail. It's magnetized. Everything's working as it should. Make your markings here, go up or down to drill your holes, or attach your nail, and you're all set and ready to go to start mounting. I see why they call it the StudBuddy, because this thing really is the stud. No battery, no electronics. It's just a simple, straightforward, easy way to find studs.